Hey everyone, and welcome to the garage. It's that time of the year again, the 2026 Shizuoka Hobby Show from Shizuoka, Japan. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the automotive model kits that were on display. We have a bunch of new kits that were announced, and our first look at some of the new kits that were announced last year, and a few that were announced a few months ago prior to the show. All right, let's jump into it and take a look. Getting started with Aoshima. We have 3 new Snap Card series of kits coming. The first, the 2024 Toyota GR Yaris. It'll be out in 2027. Next one is the 2023 Suzuki Swift Sport. It'll be out in 2027 as well. And the 2007 Honda S2000 Type S. It'll be out this year. And our first look at the 97 Honda Civic EK9, which was announced last year. Another kit for the Snap Car series of kits. As you can see, you have 3 color choices: white, silver, and black. And announced just a couple months ago as well, the stock version of the 1996 Toyota Supra JZA80. It'll be released here in 2026. And you got the 3 flavors to choose from: white, blue, and a grayish green. And then announced last year, remember, the Fast and the Furious Supra, which will be out later this year as well. And we have the LB Works Silhouette Lamborghini Aventador Evo version 1, released later this year as well. And we have a couple of Nissan Fairlady Zs coming, customized version or customized editions, 2 body flavors, orange and black. These will be released here at the end of the month of May. We saw these last year as well. They're very ride height custom versions of the RX-7, the Skyline, the Silvia, and the RX-7. Again, these were announced last year as well. And that's going to do it for Aoshima. Hasegawa is up next, and we got a new Toyota Sprinter kit coming this year. The 1983 Toyota Sprinter Torino AE86 GT Apex early version. It'll be released in July of this year. It's going to be it for Hasegawa. Now we're going to take a look at the Platts new to Beemax booth. And first, the Charge Mazda 787B L91 Le Mans winner. Again, the 112 scale kit, looking good. And a first look at the Toyota GR10. And the 1981 Mazda RX-7 253. And the BMW that was on display last year as well. The Toyota Celica GT4 ST 2005 Toyota Tour de Course winner. And the Yamaha's YZR M1. And up next, Fujimi, and a couple of new kits coming from them. Part of their Snap Car series of kits, their Snap kits. We have a Honda S660. And the Subaru RX STI Final Edition. It'll be out this year. And Revell, the McLaren 750S, set to be released this year. And now we're going to take a look at Tamiya. They're going to be releasing their minis. We have the Austin and the 2 Morrises. Mini Cooper 1.3Y 1/12th scale kit. And the next new item from Tamiya, they're jumping in the chrome finish game with their new mirror finish paint set. It's a 2-part system comprised of the primer and the mirror finish paint. And my understanding is you do need to use their primer with the mirror paint. So the information being shared: 24 hours for the primer to set, 24 hours for the mirror finish to set, but it can be handled a little bit sooner is what I've read as well. So that's like the full cure time, 24 hours. And like most of the other mirror finishes we have, it cannot be clear coated over, but it can be brush painted as well as airbrush applied. Pricing in US dollar reduce, $13.85 for the mirror finish paint and $6.23 for the primer. Again, that is in US dollars at the current exchange rate. I don't know what it'll be sold for here, if it does get sold here, which I'm imagining it will be. Probably close to about $30 for the set, give or take. So there we go. That is a look at the 2026 Shizuoka Hobby Show, the automotive model kits. I know there's a bunch that I'm excited for. If you're excited for any of the new kits, let me know in the comments below. And with that, thank you for watching.